So we are here to go ahead and move into our second lesson of our Canvas schoolwork on 5.RI.2. Still working on summarizing that central idea from the text. You guys have been absolutely rocking these informational texts. And so now we're going to go ahead and move into a book. You guys are going to be taking some notes on it, doing a couple of questions on it, a mastery check, and a little project, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to read Violent Weather, okay? Violent Weather is going to talk about exactly that. A couple of different types of violent weather, specifically hurricanes, tornadoes, and thunderstorms, okay? And these are all three types of violent weather that we have around us. Okay, so what are we going to be doing? So eventually we're going to get to this project right here, okay? So feel free to look at that. That's going to be our last little bit. And I want us to go ahead and go over the beginning and just kind of what you guys are going to be doing. We're not going to go over the main ideas because you guys are absolutely rocking it. We've been working on it in 3 weeks. You know what to do with that. So you'll notice that with your notes, and I'm going to give you the notes on paper, make sure I've given them to you. We are using a guided notes format, but in a slightly different way, okay? Some of the guided notes are going to come directly from the text, just like before. You see that here is your heading. Here is your heading. The most violent weather event is the thunderstorm. The most common violent weather event is the thunderstorm. You'll also notice that there's some with more lines, okay? As you're going through, you'll notice that this whole paragraph, in fact, this and these paragraphs are about thunderstorms forming. Again, you guys are getting so good with main idea. You'll go ahead and put the main ideas and explain how thunderstorms form there, okay? So a little bit different guided notes than that before. This first section right here, when Mother Nature gets hostile, is not part of the notes. It's just your introduction. So take just a moment to go ahead and read that with your digital text. After you've done your notes, at the end of each section, you will go ahead and put the main idea of the section, okay? Just like we've been doing, but now practicing with a digital text and having paper on our table, just like we would during like an EOG or a CDA, something like that. After you've done the notes, it's not that long of a text, okay? I think it's 10 pages, 15 pages. And you guys have 4 days to do this, okay? So low stress. We do have some stop, think, and write questions. There's just 3 of them. After that, when you're in Canvas, after that, you'll record yourself showing those notes. You'll click next. You'll go to the mastery check. And then after you pass that mastery check, you'll be able to start on this little mini project, okay? All right, friends, you guys have been doing awesome, 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 awesome. I truly cannot say how proud I am of you, of how well you guys are doing with the main ideas. So let's keep that up, and I'm excited to see what you learn and how you apply it with violent weather.